Hello and welcome to today's daily analysis of the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. We've got a really clear bias today. We're going to be looking for shorts today. Just quickly, I want to get you guys subscribe, like and comment. Really want to boost this channel. If you like it, make sure you're letting me know in the comments and make sure you're subscribing and liking. Also let me know, are there any videos that you want to see? You know, if you're struggling with something that I can clarify on, if you want to see anything in particular, let me know in the comments. All right, so for today, if we take it to the 4 hour, we are still trying to break this high. I don't think that we've failed just yet, but we're getting pretty close. So I still think that we're going to have another leg up at some point. I wouldn't be surprised if we came down to these lows and then went again. But that remains to be seen. So for me, I think the 4 hour is bullish. However, on the 15 minute, I think we are bearish. And that is because last night we had CPI in America that came out lower than expected. And it got a massive break of structure to the upside, leaving a lot of imbalance below. Okay. So generally, imbalance wants to get filled. And as you can see, we're starting to get a nice pullback. This morning at about 11, we got a nice 15-minute break of structure to the downside. And that left us with a zone that was something like that up here. But this was news that tapped in. So the trade would have won. But because it was the news, I sort of just like to stay out of that. It's not part of my plan. In the future, I might look at forward testing and adding that in. But for the moment, it's just not part of my plan. So I stayed out of that one. As you can see here, it looks like we're about to get a second break or internal break just here. Okay, so this is going to be our first scenario if we do get that break. So obviously that's going to leave a 15-minute order block here. Way too big for us, okay? In simple terms, that's like to cover the highs, that's an 8 pip stop, which is too big for us. So we're going to have to look for zones that are a bit smaller. So we'll drop it to the 5. And as you can see, we've got one up here, unmitigated. That looks pretty good for us. We'll now check if that's within the 4 pips. And it is, okay? So that's what our trade will look like if and only if we get a break of structure just here. So if that breaks below on the 15, we'll wait. So break below, we'll wait for it to tap in. Then we want to get that confirmation outside and then go, okay? And we're just going to be targeting our 3 risks reward as per normal. All right, so that's going to be the goal, okay, guys, today. Further, we're just going to keep following it down. It could easily happen that it goes down, comes back up, we get another break. Then in that scenario, what we want to be doing, again, the exact same. Look for it off the order block that's high and keep going down, okay? When I think I'm going to start to not look for that will be when we start to get to these levels down here. Okay, I think that there's a good chance that once we come down to, say, this 15-minute order block, I think we could really run. Personally, for me, I won't take any trades off here because that's not actually part of the structure that we're trading from. So I won't be taking any trades from here, but I'll be wary that we could get a reversal coming off this area here, maybe this unmitigated zone just here, off here, because I think in the long term we are bullish on the 4 hour. So I think we are going to get a reversal at some point. But for now, we're going to be looking at shorts on the way down. Okay, and one last scenario, if we get a break up here and we retest one of these zones, that's fine. But what I'd be waiting for then would be either this high to break or this low. Just because news sort of made it a little bit uncertain. So yeah, I'll just be patient with this one. But I think for right now, I think we're heading a bit lower. And I'd be trying to catch some of the trades off this zone first. However, if we get another break down here, we'll be going for a zone like that, a bit lower. Okay, so the bias is shorts. Good luck today. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. It really helps me out. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know how you go.